Welcome to Bluicity. We are a technology solutions company, and we assist clients future-proof their whole supply chain using an Industry 4.0 solution for product and process improvement, and also provide the tools to meet the new industry requirements for traceability. Many business operations are being tagged with improving the business in terms of delivery, cost, and quality. It's time to take a close look at Industry 4.0. Industry 4.0 is the next industrial revolution, and it's going to be cyber physical. That means it's going to connect computers to processes without human intervention. Now, here's a much better tag. We would like to introduce you to our Industry 4.0 solution, our Blue Tag Control. In your business, you probably move your product through your business in a container. We add our Blue Tag to your container and digitally transform it into a powerful real-time database using Bluetooth technology. And we use a range of tags depending on the mission. Our tags will track, trace, and test your product through the whole supply chain. We can trace where your product has been or where it came from. We can track where the product is now, and we can test and tell you the environment it was exposed to. With sensorization, we can test the environment over the whole supply chain. Our tag collects data 24/7, and once in a zone, will report the data to our Industrial 4.0 database. And the tag can be located with an LED indicator light activated either remotely or locally with a handheld that can also perform tasks with the tag. For process environments that are Industry 4.0 compatible, we can integrate that process control data into our database so that it can be correlated with the tag data. Further, if you perform product batch testing, we can record and correlate the sample testing information with our Industry 4.0 database. This Industry 4 database will provide reports and analytics that can support your business teams as they improve the business process and improve your products, and provide product assurance traceability reports. Our Blue Tag can integrate across and down the whole supply chain and support factory level and detailed work center level transactions. Here is a quick demo of our Blue Tag system. First, you define the business departments you want to control on a screen-based process map. We can then add process information, such as work centers and main flow, to this map. Then we can add zones to ensure full coverage of the business process. We add zone designations. Here's a simple example of a tracking process. We have a container that is tagged and has a work order defined for its flow through the process. It's in zone Z1B, and we can click on the screen and we now find it's work order 123, and we can see a brief description of the work order and tag information and bin serial number if you want that detail. When you click again, you can see a copy of the work order. It may be pulled from your ERP, and this can be very detailed. We can access all the tag controls in this screen, and we can click again to go to the tag tracker file. The tag tracker file provides information about the work order, when it should start and complete, and real-time status of where the job is within the process. So let's assume it's currently in zone Z1B, and it's moved by the process team to Z2B. The new status will show on the process map, and the tag tracker will update to show the movement. Recent movements can be compared over a time window as shown here. So we can track a tag through the process. And when it's completed, we can use this file to close the work order and reflect that status in ERP if that is your option. Then we can click to open the traceability and test file. The traceability and test data file provides a contiguous time record for each tag's journey through the supply chain. It provides detailed records of all the trace, track, and test data. So here is an example of 18 tags moving through the operation. So here is the tag tracker for these 18 tags. And let's assume you have a planner or scheduler reviewing progress to the work order schedules and decides that 4 work orders need priority action as they are delayed. So it's decided to alert the process operators to take action by activating the visual tracking lights on the tags. This action will light up the tags on the process map and the LED on the tags, and also sends a message to the handhelds of the department operators to investigate and take action. Now look, tags can be added to any asset in the process, such as trucks and mobile equipment or tools or test equipment, etc., so that you have a complete view of everything that's happening in the operation. So the Blue Tag control system provides real-time trace, track, and test status and uses these 3 interactive displays to control, report, and take action. The Industry 4.0 database is cloud-based. The database has an open but secure structure, and the core system files can be accessed to generate standard and custom reports for the business users to operate and improve the business. Bluicity has a full implementation toolkit of tags, zone equipment, and network products to enable the full Industry 4.0 system solution. Our solution provides significant benefits, and it's clear that we can reduce the cost and improve the capability to operate and improve the business. So put yourself in our hands as we take you through an Industry 4.0 assessment process to see how we can help you navigate these business challenges. So here's our contact information, and we look forward to working with you.